Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about the step down transformer from 380 volts primary winding and 220 volts secondary winding. This is the supply voltage line 1, line 2, line 3 supply from utility line. Then ang line 1 natin naka-connect sa transformer number 1. This is the primary winding, X1. 480 volts, multiple tapping, 440, 380 volts, the 220 volts, then 0 volts. Then this one is X2. Then another is, this is the secondary winding, H1. This is 480 volts, 440 volts, 380 volts, 220 volts, then 0 volts. Then this is our second transformer number 2, X1 natin. Then 440, 480, 440, 380, 220, then 0 volts. This is X2. This is the secondary winding, H1. 440 volts, 480 volts, 440 volts, 380 volts, 220 volts, 0 volts, then it's 2. This is our transformer number 3. X1, 480, multiple tapping, 440, then multiple tapping, 380 volts, then 220 volts, then 0 volts. X2 natin. Then, this is the secondary winding, H1. 480 volts, 440 volts, multiple tapping, 380 volts, 220 volts, then 0 volts. Then, yung primary natin, naka-connect sa supply of 380 volts. This is line 1. This is the primary winding, line 1 natin. Then is a secondary winding, transformer 1, patungo sa motor natin. This is our motor natin is 220 volts. 220 volts patungo sa terminal 1, 3-piece motor. Then this is a second line 2 natin, the transformer number 2 sa primary, connect sa 380 volts. Then ang secondary winding natin para sa load side natin sa motor is 220 volts patungo sa ating terminal 2. Then ang line 3 natin sa supply sa motor sa primary is 380 volts. Then this is a transformer number 3. Then ang ating secondary winding sa transformer number 3, ang supply natin sa motor is 220 volts patungo sa ating terminal 3 para sa ating motor, 220 volts 3-phase. Note, input 380 volts, output 220 volts. Bible verse of the day, John 17 verse 3. And this is life eternal, that they might know this, the only true God, and Jesus Christ, whom thou hast sent. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and